All right, welcome back to Jake's Chop Shop, guys. On this week's episode, I'm going to cover a bit of assembly on the HG. Luke's been down, he's been busy. Let's take a look, let's get into it. Alright, so I haven't actually been here. I've been in and out the shop the last couple of days doing a bit of work with Chris from CK Paint and Panels, so check out his page. If you're into VLs, you're into all that stuff, go have a look. He's on Instagram, on Facebook. Anyway, we're going to get into this car. So I've got a little bit of footage I'm going to chuck in a minute. I was here on Saturday morning with Luke and his old man. It actually was a whole family affair. It was... his son came down, daughter came down, so they were all a part of it, and that's always great to see. And he's been busy. They put the engine in the car, put some of the stainless on, put the tail lights. It went to rare spares, spent probably a shitload of money, but that's all coming together. So it's also with the engine in, the car's dropped down. So let's just have a quick rundown. Obviously, it's a 428 cube, small block Chev. It's got all the goodies. I reckon when this car's done, I'll get Luke to maybe have a chat with you guys about the car, and he'll give you an in-depth rundown of all the bits and pieces, the nitty-gritty on the car. But so the engine's in, brand new power glides in the car. That's all happening. We've got some moldings going on here. They're really setting off the car. Fantastic job. So tail lights are in, bit of stainless. He's got the 186 6-cylinder badge on the car, cheeky. That's all happening. And honestly, hats off to Luke, man. He's done a fantastic job. So it's awesome to see something like this come together and be a part of the build, and that's awesome. So I love it when you start putting bits and pieces on the car. It just really comes alive. Action.
Yeah. It's real.
Oh no, it's not.
It's a bastard because it freezes. Put the right badge on it.
Oh yeah. Big rare spares purchase today. Nah, he's trying to do it. Eventually you'll be putting this. Family affair. What are you doing? There it is, that's it. But I'll give you guys a look at what else is going on. Like I said, the VL, it's currently getting wet sanded, polished at the moment. I've been busy on the buff. So I've done the boot, done the rear quarters. Thanks to Pete for coming down. I really appreciate your help, man. He's a good friend of ours, and he's learning the polishing and all that sort of stuff, the detailing of cars. So we had a bit of a play together, bounced a few ideas off each other.
What is he doing? Hey, Luke!
But pretty much, I'll give you a quick rundown of what I'm doing with it. So obviously there was a lot of shrink back because you're pushing everything in 1 week. So what I've done is let it set for about a week, and then I wet sanded the car, left it for a day. When I wet sand the car as well, I start with a 1500, then go to a 2000, and then after that, wall pad, and then the finishing pads. There'll be another video that I'm going to do probably soon, and I'll probably cover some of the ways that I polish cars and do things. And you know what? There's a lot of right and wrong ways to do it, but I do it a certain way to save time, to get a good result. I'm not the best. There's plenty of other people out there that are fucking killer at polishing. That ain't me, but I can cover some stuff, and I won't feel bad giving you some advice about that. But so rear quarters, boots done, roof's done, doing the bonnet at the moment. Just started working on the sides, so that's starting to look really nice, and I'm happy, and I think it's going to be really nice when it's done. So I want to get this thing all finished, wrapped up, new exhaust made up for it by probably Tuesday, so in a couple of days, and then the car will be on the market, because obviously we need to get onto my LS1 VL, get that painted and get it ready to be sent off to get the trim done. So that's enough for that one.
Yep.
Okay, one last treat for you guys. I appreciate it. With the 5,000 subscribers, I'm honestly super grateful. Like, yeah, it actually means a lot to me. I haven't got back to a lot of comments and all that sort of stuff, and I do want to do that. I just, time and just, like, I really want to do it. I read everything, I just, Jake things. But anyway, the boys at the Body Shop Paint Supplies, Allenby Gardens, have given me this kit, and I'm going to show you in a minute. It's a headlight restoration kit. So it comes with all your attachments and all that sort of stuff to detail your headlights, polish them up, and get them looking killer again. Now, this kit is available at the Body Shop. I think it's super cheap. I think it's sub $100 even, and that's pretty good value. You got all the attachments. All you need is your own drill or rotary device. We're going to give it away. So what I want you to do, all you have to do is comment in the comments, tell me what you want to see more of. That's all I want. I just want some feedback. And if you got an idea or whatever, or you think, you know, I want to see this was good or this was bad, even if it's negative feedback, I want to hear it. Honestly, just hit me with the truth. And then I'm going to try and, you know, structure everything, work towards goals. Obviously, we're dictated by time and money and all that sort of stuff. So if you want me to shoot fireworks at a Lamborghini, I'd love to, can't, right? But anyway, let's have a look at this kit. So, pure wax kit, comes in this nice case. What you got some compound here, right? Headlight restoration compound. You got a wall pad, you got a finishing pad, you got an interface pad, you got some all different orbital sandpapers here. You got the attachment that goes into your drill, that screws into here, pad sticks on the back of it. So you got everything, right? This is a nice little kit. So, or even if maybe you want like a little side hustle or something, and you want to do a few cars, charge someone $100 to fix the headlights, I don't know, whatever, sky's the limit. We're going to give it away. So, like I said, chuck us a comment, and that's it. That's going to wrap it up for today. Short video this week. Next week, I'll be back with some exciting things, some new projects. We've got some parts coming in as well, so can't wait to share that with you guys. Have a good weekend. Enjoy.